This is an activation of the Endangered Missing Person Alert system. The Fort Hall Tribal Police Department is looking for Fabian Saiz, a missing person who was last seen on foot in the area of Reservation Road and Swanson Road in Fort Hall, Idaho, and is believed to be in danger. He is a 18-year-old male with black hair and brown eyes and was last seen wearing gray sweatshirt, gray sweatpants and no shoes. Fabian is an autistic individual. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this missing person, please contact Fort Hall Tribal Police Department at 208-238-4000 immediately.